Hello everyone, today we are going to make this type of bracelet. So for that, first we will need two different color cords. You can use same color cords also, a scissor and a lighter. So first I will take one cord and take both the corners together, and then I will place it like this. Now I will take the other one and then I will tie a simple knot. Keep some gap over here so that we can tie it over here. I have tied a simple knot over here. So I will take the other side as there is no knot over here. So now the yellow ones are outside, so I will take the yellow one in. So first I will take the right one between both the blue ones, and the next yellow one again between them, but over the other one. So here now I have the blue one at the top. Here there are two strings and here also there are two strings. So first I will take the right one, then again the left one. So this way I will continue. So as you do this, now I have done the yellow one. So for blue one, here as you can see the blue one has come above, and here also the blue one has come above. So we have to do this. Now I did the blue one, now the yellow one has come above. So whichever one comes above, we have to make it with that one only. So this way we have to continue till your size of your wrist. So here I have completed the bracelet till here according to my wrist. So now the one that is at the end, so here I have the blue one in between. So what I will do is, first take the yellow one as it is outside over both the blue ones, and the yellow one above this line and through this hole. If you didn't understand, you can replay the video and tie it over here. And same we have to do over here also. First I will cross it over here, then the other one through it. So here I am done. So now I will cut this off. So can also use hot glue gun to stick it. So here my bracelet is ready. Insert it in that hole. Done. So this way you can also make a bracelet which is very easy to make. Thanks for watching.